Hello everyone, my name is Manali Longmailai.
Hello, my name is Pushparna Bhattacharya.
Hello everyone, I'm Boro.
Hello everyone, my name is Rima Saikya.
We are gathered here to share our field experiences on language maintenance and revitalization on the three languages, Biate, Hrangkhol and Khelma, that we did from February 27th to March 2020 at Haflong.
We hope that this video will spread awareness among the greater speech communities of Biate, Hrangkhol and Khelma and for the larger audience.
We started our journey to Haflong, Dima Hasao from Teachpur University at around 6 a.m. with my project staff Raju Boro and Rima Saikya, field assistants, and Dr. Pushpa Renu Bhattacharya, research associate, on a hired car, and reached the destination by 12 p.m. It takes 6 hours on an average to cover the nearly 300-kilometer road distance between Teachpur and Haflong. We crossed 3 districts, Sonitpur, Nagaon and Hochai, to reach Dima Hasao. After reaching Haflong and post-lunch and refreshment, we had a brief meeting with some of the Hrangkhol and Khelma informants at Nothau Lodge, where we halted to discuss arrangement, attendees and voluntary help for the next day's program. The Hrangkhol community volunteered to prepare lunch for the awareness program during the discussion. We gave invitation cards to the Hrankhols and Khelmas present at the meeting for inviting their communities. After the meeting, 3 of us went to Phiang Pui. Thereby, we began the program by inviting guests on the dais of the hall and felicitating them.
I urge all of you to continue loving your language, not only in words and blood, but also in material production and language implementation for education and sharing your worldview.
Our language is risk of being lost because we are very few in operations. But from a few years back, we have started to preserve our language by making books like hymn book, Bible, and literature book, no, literature book.
Yes, by looking at the banner itself, yes, it is the need of the hour. Soon after my graduation, I was asked to involve myself in Christian literature, especially translating of the Bible, as well as translation and composing of the hymn books, and so on. I have come across many challenges. For example, chairman. Chairman, we don't know how to translate it. Report, how to translate it.
हम थोड़ा सा आप लोग हिंदी से बोलेगा जब क्रिश्चियन हुआ इस क्रिश्चियन होने के नाते से उसमें हम लोग बाइबल और एनी अदर्स हिम बुक्स और संडे स्कूल का क्या है किताब जो है जब इंग्लिश से हम लोग बोलते हैं तो बहुत इजी होता है जब अपना भाषा से हम लोग जब ट्रांसलेट करेंगे बोलने से चेयरमैन हो या कोई प्रेसिडेंट बोलता है मॉडरेटर बोलता है ये सब अलग अलग से ट्रांसलेट करके हम लोग बहुत इधर ही लगता है अपना भाषा से करने के लिए
chun chong boy chun mon in long ai loi
sapite khong khata hin sapite zuang rang ti ai an len thoka sapite zuang rang in an in ngei hi saman leiman saya an khlai ngei khom hian lei phiata
It's the second cleanest village of Assam, if you do not know. We came for an awareness program, but this is a site visit. You see, this is a church of the village. It's a Presbyterian church. And with us we have our Gaonburah and the church pastor of the village. It's very clean.
बोलने दीजिए ना
Mai besek mai kongvon beseke mai takam mai irna timbu taize mahi amalai taka inkop mayanya ai arrodet arrol tirna ini temahi
Rashi.
Mahi rasi kong kita thong doron rasi mangai lukom le kong kita mahi mangai nia mahi khodengania kong hina jurorna den pagutun na mahi ki irkol ni hai ki mitiem kha mahi ikhonga isukna den tirna mahi mitia makhong na
visit from February 27 to March 1 ended successfully. The participants and informants have been highly encouraging and positive to help us in the future fieldworks, and they have the same expectations from us towards their community for their literature.
The Biate youth has been active in helping us with the hall and card distribution for awareness program, especially Lalrem Ngamlai, in spite of his medical ailment. We observed the curiosity of Biate community to attend the program by the church moderator of World Christian Mission, Mr. Darnei, who met us for the first time at the venue. Many were informed one day before among themselves, for which reason they could not attend in spite of their interest. They asked for help for building a dictionary, and we suggested them to use Flex software, which is user-friendly, and added our willingness to help them in the long run. Thank you.
The Hrangkhol youth has been equally active in volunteering, especially preparing lunch and buffet menu for all the participants. They have been very hospitable at the village. They also suggested to host another similar awareness program at Zion in the forthcoming field trip, and requested us to conduct it for 2 to 3 days. Their interest and commitment for preparing the literature, script and language documentation is worthy of appreciation.
The Khelma youths also took equal part at the program and outnumbered Biate and Hrangkhol as participants. They came dressed in their traditional attire and contributed folk stories at the program and also during data collection and verification.
Thank you for watching the short documentary on the awareness program for the three languages, namely Biate, Hrangkhol and Khelma, from our part.
Kilom Tata.
Chubai!